The city of Johnston has over 40 miles of trails for residents and visitors to enjoy while they are biking, running, or walking. This video is part of a series about tips to ensure your safety while using the trails within our community and those around the metro.
I'm Lindsey Andrews, and my husband and I own Heartland Soles, the running store. There's also a lot of great items that you can use to keep you safe. Vests that light up and reflect, blinking lights so cars can see you, and then a headlamp if you're running in the dark so you can see animals, you can see other people. Having your phone with you can be great. You obviously have the ability to make an emergency phone call if necessary. If it's hard for you to, unlock your phone, a really great way to do it with an iPhone is to hit the lock or power button 5 times, and that gives you the automatic option to swipe and dial 911. When exercising outside, it's really important to have a little spontaneity. So don't always run the same route. Don't go at the exact same time every day. Don't go from your home every day. Change up where you're running a lot. If you do start from your home, maybe try a couple different roads.
Look for more videos like this with safety tips, and be sure and practice them when you're out on the trails.